If natural birth is supposed to be natural, why do so many women describe it as feeling like their bodies are being torn in half? When labor begins, the uterus contracts with incredible force to push the baby downward. Each contraction feels like a powerful wave, tightening the entire abdomen and lower back over and over again for hours. During this process, blood flow to the muscles decreases, making the pain even more intense. The baby's head is also quite large compared to the birth canal. So to pass through, the baby must slowly rotate, and the skull can temporarily change shape to fit through the narrow space. At the same time, the mother's pelvis expands as much as possible to create room for the baby to be born. The muscles and tissues in the birth area are stretched to their limit and can sometimes tear. In addition, the cervix must dilate from completely closed to about 10 centimeters, a process that can last for many hours or even days. What's truly incredible is that the female body can endure all of this to bring a new life into the world.